Hello students, today we will discuss about light and vision, that is the topic of 8th class physics CBSE. Okay, now let's start. Now image found by a plane, we start from here. Okay, first of all, that is a pencil. Light from sun falls on pencil, that goes on mirror, that after reflection into our eyes, and then we see image here. Okay, here by chart I show here, rays from sun falls on pencil, falls on mirror, and then reflected into eyes, then we see image of pencil. Now the image formed in the mirror is not permanent, because when we remove this pencil, image is also disappear, means it is a temporary. That is virtual image, means it cannot be obtained on screen, that is so called virtual image. Now lateral inversion. First of all, what is lateral inversion? Means in which the left side of image change into right and right change into left. Here also noted that in mirror left and right side get reverse, means left right में right left में. This way is called lateral image, means D becomes like this and P becomes like this, lateral inverted. Also one more example here, that ambulance show like this, and in the mirror if we see properly see. Type alphabets written on the medical van, ambulance, because they can be seen properly in the rear view mirror of driver, that is in the guard, when in the forward, in the rear view mirror. Now what is rear view mirror? Mirror near the driver. Okay, now we learnt about property of images found by plane में. First of all, virtual means not permanent, not open screen. Erect means सीधी होगी वो. Lateral inverted, right left में left side में change होगा. Same size as that object, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज उतना ही इमेज का साइज होगा. एट द सेम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द मिरर, जितने डिस्टेंस पे आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है मिरर उतनी ही अंदर उसकी इमेज बनेगी. नाउ मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शंस. In the mirror we see image from single reflection. What happens if two mirrors are placed? Two or more than two mirrors placed, that is means here two or more time reflection takes place. Plane mirror form an image and object placed before it. It is due to single reflection of light. Simple. Now what happens if the object is placed between two mirrors that are at 90-degree angle to each other, like this? One mirror, second mirror. The number of images. In this case, mirror will form image due to multiple reflection. In this case, image not get lateral inverted. Lateral inverted नहीं होगी, क्योंकि एक इमेज की एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जो इमेज बनेगी वो lateral inverted. फिर इमेज की जो इमेज बनेगी that is also reverse, means first left to right, then right to left again. Okay. Now number of images, we have one formula, 360 by angle between mirrors minus 1. When angle is 90, 360 minus angle between 90 minus 1, that is 3 images. If angle is 120, means 360 by 120 equal to minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1, 2 images. If angle is 120 between two mirrors. Now next, students, what is refraction? Here first of all I tell you about, that is the reflection. Light reflect here from go to same medium, but in the refraction light not go back in the same medium. Ray of light not same medium, it can go to another medium. Now medium changes, then path also changes, it bends from previous original path. Okay, and refraction may be defined as when light enter from one medium to another medium, it deviates, change होगा उसका path, straight नहीं जाएगी वो. Its path known as refraction. Means like here, air when go into water, no straight, that bends towards normal, that is normal. Now how its path changes? Because of light different in speed of light, different in different medium, so its path changes. Now apart from forming images because of refraction, certain types of light splits into different colors. For example, formation of rainbow, means refraction के अलावा इमेज जो बनती है उसके अलावा रिफ्रैक्शन से ही लाइट स्प्लिट होती 7 कलर्स में, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रेनबो। मीन्स sunlight passes through water vapors and then splits 7 colors, that is vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Colors of rainbow. Hence we can say that sunlight is a white, and white color mixture of 7 color light, that is here. Dispersion means splitting of light into its component colors, मीन्स लाइट का टूटना जिनसे मिलाकर वो बनती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्पर्जन ऑफ लाइट। नाउ स्पेक्ट्रम इन द रेनबो दैट बैंड ऑफ 7 कलर्स, या जो पट्टी है आपकी 7 कलर्स की, दैट इज नोन एज स्पेक्ट्रम। नाउ अकोमोडेशन देखिए, दूर और पास की ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने के लिए हमारी आँख का जो लेंस है वो अपनी फोकल लेंथ को सेल्फ एडजस्टमेंट करता है फॉर प्रॉपर इमेज, फॉर शार्प इमेज, दैट इज कॉल्ड अकोमोडेशन। The process by which the focal length of lens of the eye is changed due to ensure the formation of sharp images of object at different distances called accommodation, means कि अपनी focal length को adjust करता है for sharp image, that means that is the ability of our eye. Now next, some diseases are there in our eyes. First of all, myopia. A person in myopia is unable to see distant object clearly बट नो डिफिकल्टी इन सी नियर बाई, मीन्स देखिए जैसे कम लेंथ है इस वर्ड्स की, ओके, तो हम नज़दीक का देख सकते हैं, दूर का हमें नहीं दिखेगा, ओके। बट हाइपरमेट्रो जस्ट अपोज, मीन्स इसकी लेंथ ज़्यादा है वर्ड की, तो हमें दूर का दिखेगा, नज़दीक का नहीं दिखेगा, ओके। एंड मायोपिया इज काज्ड बाय इलोंगेशन ऑफ आईबॉल, ट्रीटमेंट बाय यूजिंग कनकेव लेंस। नाउ हाइपरमेट्रोप, देखिए जैसे इस वर्ड की लेंथ ज़्यादा है तो हमें क्या है, दूर का दिखेगा और नज़दीक का हमें देखने डिफिकल्टी होगी। इज अनेबल टू सी क्लोज ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली बट हैज नो डिफिकल्टी इन सीइंग डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, काज डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट। काज ऑफ दिस डिजीज इज शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ आई बॉल, ट्रीटमेंट बाय यूजिंग कन्वेक्स लेंस। नाउ आई शो टेबल हेयर, डिजीज कैन सी नियर बाय, नॉट सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, कैन नॉट सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, myopia, and hypermetropia nearby, okay, cannot see, cause elongation of eyeball myopia and shortening of eyeball in hypermetropia. Treatment concave in myopia and convex in hypermetropia. Now that is the disease of cataract. In this disease lens of the eye turns cloudy with age, जो आपकी आँख का लेंस है वो एज के अकॉर्डिंग, एजिंग पर्सन में क्लाउडी और धुंधला हो जाएगा, that patient cannot see properly, that is the cataract. Treatment by changing lens. Students, that is the topic of last today lecture. The next lecture we will try to complete this chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks.